Meanwhile, we just left alkanes and we're in alkenes. So, the name, let's start afresh. Remember, I told us that we can't possibly start numbering from the right because it will give the double bond a larger number. It will not be at carbon number 3. But if we start from the left, it gives it number 1 position. So the correct nomenclature for these organic compounds having 4 carbon atoms and the double bond at carbon number 1 becomes boots. Boots in the sense that we have a total number of 4 carbon atoms. And at what position do we have the double bond? Carbon number 1. So it becomes 1E. But 1E becomes the nomenclature. Okay? But 1E becomes the nomenclature, but some texts will say it is 1 butene. Some texts will give it as 1 butene. Alright, are you following? Now the second one. This is the second structure. Okay, we still have 4 carbon atoms. We can start anywhere to number. We can start here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The double bond is at carbon number 2, right? If we also want to number from the right, we'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4. The double bond is also at carbon number 2, okay? So anywhere you want to number for this particular compound, you will also give the double bond number 2. So being at number 2 position, I mean the functional group now, I will have a total number of 4 carbon atoms. We are still expecting a boot. But now, which of the boots? Is it boot 1? No. It is at carbon number 2, so it becomes boot 2 in. Remember, it is ending with in because we are dealing with what? Alkenes. Are you following, students? Please, if you're following, don't forget to give a like, share this video, and also recommend it to your friends, okay? If there's any part of this lesson you're not really understanding, please put it on the comment section. Let's continue, please. The third example is, okay, we now have a substituent apart from a functional group. This is a functional group and this is a substituent. You should know the difference between a substituent and a functional group, okay? This is halogen, okay? And this is the double bond for alkenes. Now, where do we start numbering from? The functional group, being the double bond, we take precedence over the substituent, okay? So we'll have to consider the double bond first, then we consider the substituent. We'll have to definitely start from here to number, okay? Because if we number from here, it will give this double bond number 2. But if we number from here, it gives it number 1. And in this nomenclature, we're going to name the substituent first, okay? Remember, 3 carbon atoms are involved. We're expecting a prop from our last video. So we have 2 bromo. Remember, bromine is a halogen. It is not pronounced as bromine here, rather bromo. For chlorine, it is chloro. Fluorine is fluoro. So we have 2 bromo. How many carbon atoms are involved? We have 3 carbon atoms. Okay, we're expecting a prop. Prop. Where is the double bond attached? At carbon number 1. It becomes prop 1 in. Some texts will give it 2 bromopropene. It is also still correct, okay? So it is 2 bromo prop 1 in or 2 bromopropene. Okay? Let's go to the third example. Now we have an organic substituent this time around. So where are we numbering from? Anywhere we number from, we still give this double bond number 2. If you still understand our concept of numbering, okay? So if I start, well here, since we have a substituent, I'm going to start from the right hand side. a substituent here. And even there was no substituent attached at all, I can start anywhere. But because I have methyl substituent, I will start from here so as to do what? Consider my substituent being the methyl group. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what becomes the name of this organic compound? The methyl group is attached to carbon number 2. So it becomes 2-methyl. Okay, 4 carbon atoms are involved. We're expecting what? If you know it, put it down in the comment section. But what's in? The double bond is at carbon number 2, but 2 in. Okay? If you're enjoying this lesson, please give us a like. Okay? And share to your friends. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to know when next you're putting up a video on our channel. Thank you. Alright, number 4, we have 2 double bond attached. Okay, we have 2 double bond attached. Remember, when you're having a functional group or like substituents, we use prefixes like di, tri, tetra, as the case may be. So we have 4 carbon atoms. Okay, here we're expecting definitely a but. But then we have 2 double bonds attached. Remember, you can start anywhere to number. If we start here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means double bonds are at carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. Okay? Or, okay, if you want to take it from the left, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're also expecting the same numbering. From either side, you get the same numbering. So, here we have both 1, 3. That means at carbon number 1, we have the in, the double bond, and at carbon number 3, we also have another double bond. So, 1, 3. How many ins are we expecting? Of course, 2 ins. There are 2 double bonds. So, we use a di to represent it. Di-in. Buta, 1, 3 di-in. Some texts will give it as 1, 3 buta di-in. Some textbook will put it this way as 1, 3 buta di-in. You're still in order. Now, this last one will be an assignment that will be submitted. Okay? Try this one out and provide your answer in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching Chemistry Hour with Jenny. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye.